Hello, this is Nathan with the Bee Customer Experience team, and I wanted to demonstrate how we use the Bee Pro product internally to do some of our content that we create in terms of knowledge-based articles and documentation and things like that. Primarily for documentation for knowledge-based articles, we use Zendesk Guide, which is a pretty basic tool. It gives you a little WYSIWYG editor here. It's got a number of different features that you can use. You can insert tables, you can add images and videos, and it's perfectly adequate for the creation of a knowledge-based article. But what it really lacks is a good collaboration tool, and that's one thing that Bee Pro is really great for, is collaboration. We have a number of different multi-user and co-editing features that can be really helpful when you're trying to collaborate with a team to create a document. So today I'm going to show you how I use the Bee editor to create content for our knowledge base articles. So this is an article that I've crafted with my team, and I need to transfer this over to the knowledge base. So the first thing I need to do is make sure that all the content is there, and I've done that. All these nice things need to be in the knowledge base, so everything's good there. And I also need to make sure that it's been fully reviewed by my team. So we have all these comments here. My colleague has made some comments, and I'm going to go ahead and resolve those comments. Make sure everything's in order. And transferring this information over to Zendesk Guide is very easy. I can just exit this. And I can actually view the live HTML version of this page. And all I really have to do is just take all of this, make sure I've got everything, and copy it into Zendesk Guide. And I might have to make a few minor changes here and there, adjust the spacing a little bit. But essentially all the content is there. Very simple. There are a few limitations, of course, when using this product this way. Our Bee product was not designed to work with Zendesk Guide, so not every single feature that is available in Bee will work with Zendesk Guide. But for a tool to create HTML content quickly on the fly and have full-featured collaboration, it's been pretty helpful. So I hope that this was informative. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions.